Good evening everybody, this is another video from Electric Doctors. Today you can see in front of me there is the HP laptop, and it's a very old model HP laptop. The external DVD writer is PATA type, so it's a very old model and it is really difficult to get the PATA hard disk and PATA writer as well, but fortunately we are able to manage one brand new PATA DVD writer. So one of my friend is now taking out. You can see in front of you, this is the PATA writer. You can see the connector here, so it is understandable, it's a PATA writer. Okay, so this is the new PATA writer and we are going to install this PATA writer on HP laptop. And it's a small kind of clump or just a uh, just a device in which screw can hold. So with the help of two screw we need to fix this metal clump with the writer, and my friend is just tightening the screw. So the clamp is fixed. Now he is just inserting the writer on the laptop. Okay, so the writer has inserted already, and this is the final screw. With this screw writer can hold with the laptop base, and inside the screw can be fixed and battery is